welcome back to my channel. This is Crypto Mystery Cash. This is my channel. This is a brand new channel, how to make money with cryptocurrency and how to make money online. So please give us support, subscribe to the channel, press the notification bell, thumbs up, and like if you want. So you can basically watch the previous projects, maybe claim some free airdrops, maybe some mining platform seeds, some mining platform, free mining platform, also the investment project. So of course, whatever you need, you can come in my Telegram group, and you can ask for any help, and I will help you as long as you need. So today, please watch this video until the end. Today I will present a very good project. It's basically a platform who offer a lot, basically all giveaways and all airdrops all in one place. So first, when you open the link, who will be in description from this free airdrop site, free airdrop, free giveaway. This is basically all in one platform. You will open the platform in the browser. So to log in to this platform, first I recommend to just click on login and connect your wallet. Please use Btcbitcoin, or never mind, use whatever you want. But after that, you will see, after connection, you will not still be logged into this platform, but must choose one of the options, Twitter or Discord. But I recommend, before you do that, click on this button here, and sometimes instead of this, add the icon to the desktop, you will see install the task on. As you can see, here is open task on, because I have already installed the platform. That's why it's writing open. So after that, after install, just open the platform and just press on Twitter or Discord, one of the two options, and after that you will be logged into the platform, and of course connect with wallet app. So after you install the app and open, you will see options, Twitter or Discord. Just try to press on, I think on Discord. I log in with Discord. I don't succeed with Twitter, but never mind. After that, you will be connected. It's important just to hear, to be logged into the platform, and also of course connected with your wallet. After that, basically this is all in one platform. Here you can find free crypto, free airdrops, and free giveaways, and a lot, unlimited, of course, upcoming projects and ongoing. So let's explain how this works. So after login, everything is super simple. This platform is all in one. Basically, all airdrops, all giveaways, or free NFTs is here. So whatever you choose to finish and participate, you see here the reward, and also this is for token, and also free airdrop. So just everything is super simple. Just need to enter in, to get inside, for example this, and just finish these simple steps, and after that complete the task, and you will see immediately your reward, and just wait the event ends, and everything will be transferred to your connected wallet. So this free airdrop and free giveaway and free crypto platform is super easy to use, and there is almost unlimited events and free NFTs. Uh, the NFTs you can claim immediately. So whatever you choose, you see here the reward. So basically everything, this what you see, points and experience, the whole platform is on levels. Sorry guys, you can check your level here. My video is constantly crashing because of the internet connection, I don't know. You click on participant center, and you will see your current level, or if you climb to level 2, level 3, level 4, or maybe more, you have more chances to earn something. So just hurry up to join this platform. Everything is amazing. uh, uh, you have basically unlimited events for free airdrop, free NFTs, free crypto, whatever you choose. You see the reward here, and just need wait to event to end and claim your reward. If it's NFT, the NFT you claim immediately. So this is basically how the platform works. Don't miss this chance, just join. This is a very good platform, all in one. All free airdrops, all free crypto, and all free giveaways are here, guys. So let me show what I have claimed. So I basically have claimed, I installed this up before 2 days, and yesterday I get 5 USDT, but I transfer to another address. So wait, wrong address, wrong wallet, but I claim these NFTs. So with over time, these NFTs have value. So if you know how to swap them or trade them, you know what to do with them. If you don't know, come to my Telegram group. I will explain to you how to redeem these free NFTs. So it's not bad for one day on the platform. I have two free NFTs. Of course, today I will claim more, and of course I will participate in many more events on the platform. So as I said, this is a unlimited basically source of free airdrop and free giveaway and free crypto. As you can see, ongoing, upcoming, you can choose whatever it is. Just see what is the reward, finish the task. The task is very easy, just 2-3 minutes to finish and claim the reward. So you don't lose anything, you can just earn here. So you can even start referring people also, that have important. You don't have nothing from your referrals, but you claim faster in levels. So I basically explain everything on this platform, how this free airdrop and free giveaway and free NFT platform works. But here is all up to you. You must come and explore this platform yourself, because I cannot tell you what kind of reward you want to claim. Just see what they offer, and just enter the event, finish the task, and claim the reward. So whatever reward you choose, that's up to you. So if you need some help, come to my Telegram group, I will help you. So basically that was all for today. Thanks for everything, for watching, and please subscribe to the channel and like if you want. So I will put link in the descriptions, of course, and also in the comment section. So that was basically all, guys. Bye.